back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this like super mystical, like for some reason this gives me Disney princess vibe like there's no tomorrow. I did something similar to this on a Facebook Live when I did my Disney series, and I couldn't wait to do it again because it just gave me, I just felt like a princess. Like I feel like a princess with this makeup on, and it's like to die for, gorgeous. And I really have been wanting to dive into my Hank and Henry my alter ego kit. Don't know why that was a handful for me. I've really been wanting to dive into these a little bit more. They are hands down some of my favorite shadows on the market. They're so cute. So you have a pink, a gold, and then you have your what are these called again? Pressed pearl eyeshadow, or no, that's not a pressed pearl. Luster Lights Loose Pearls, that's what they're called. And you have like just this beautiful like loose pigment on the bottom. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch them for you real quick. So this is Bloody Shoes, which is a nice pink, like hello. And then this one is called Millies to Billies, right? I could be wrong. Ignore my hands, I have stuff all over. So that's the pink, and then butter, that's the gold. And then these are a little bit harder to swatch just because it is a loose pigment, but we can try there. You really want like a sticky base for these, but that is what she looks like. I actually wore the luster as a highlighter today. Like it is popping. This highlight is like not playing games today. It is casting a little bit of a pink shadow. I put some on my nose and it's a pink. It's not supposed to be a pigment or a highlight, so that's my fault why I'm looking extra like pink in these areas, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling my shadow. My hair is a disaster. So, but yeah, I'm probably gonna have music whenever I do this part because my son decided to just like throw this like crazy fit when I was applying the highlighter. So, but yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I've been rambling now for like 3 minutes. So I love your faces. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my page. I appreciate it. Don't forget to check all of the links. I do have a 20% off discount code for Hank and Henry Beauty, so make sure you check it. And I made sure this was in stock before I recorded this video. I was like, let me not do like El Jefe, which is like always sold out. So but yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment on it, share with your friends, tell everybody about it, and also if you want to be notified anytime I do upload, hit the bell notification. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love your faces, and let's get on to the tutorial. I am actually holding Baby Bear while I do this video. Sorry about it. This is Hank and Henry, and we are gonna use Petty in Pink. This packaging is like killer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with the pink shade in the palette. This is called Bloody Shoes. It's super pretty. And we're gonna start off with it with the R35 brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna start blending this into my crease. Super just blending the crap out of it and smoking it out. Going from all the way in here, all the way out here. I just want this to be super blown out, and I'm going in with a little bit at a time, just so that way I can really build this shadow up, because this is seriously the only eyeshadow we're using. The only one. And I decided to do this as a talk through because this would have been seriously a 2-minute video if I hadn't done it through a talk through. So I was like, let me talk through this video so that way I can at least make the video like 4 minutes, maybe? Okay, let's cut to some music while I blend. So now I'm gonna take the eyeshadow on the side of the brush, and I'm really just gonna start packing it all over my lid. Pretty much just getting it really intense in there. And I'm just using the one brush. I figure I'm using one eyeshadow, I might as well just use one brush. Which this brush is kind of making it go on a little streaky, but I made it work on the other eye, so I figure I can at least make it work on this one. Basically what I did was I took a lip pencil from NYX Cosmetics. This is in the color Rose. Hope you guys are able to see that. I pretty much just took that color and then I went right back in with the R35 and the pink shade, and I just really blended it, just like so. And then this is where it gets fun. I pretty much am gonna take a little bitty detail brush. Let me see, where did I put it? Where did I put it? I think we bear got a hold of it. Great, so we're gonna have to get a new one. Okay, so I just took a little brush. This is an accent brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna take the gold shade that is in this palette. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take this gold shade, and I'm going to just kind of put it in this area, kind of where I'm mapping out kind of where I want this next shadow to, where I want the glitter to go. And I want this to just kind of be our base for it. So in a way, in a weird way, it's like a little teardrop. Come on, baby. It's like a little teardrop. In a weird way, if you want to look at it that way. So now I'm going to take the little accent brush and I'm going to pick up some NYX glitter primer. I don't have any more. There's no point in showing you the bottle. Like, it's completely empty. I like scraped the bottle to even get this much out, and that's okay. And then I'm gonna use the glitter. This is by Shade Beauty. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And it's like this like gorgeous, chunky, but loose, like what is gorgeous. Like, are you kidding me? I have to set this way across my table because he goes for it. That's how like shimmery it is. And then I'm just gonna pack that glitter just right here in that little teardrop shape. And I'm trying to take it to where when I put that glitter down, I really want it to kind of like wisp away. I don't want it to just be like bluntly gone. I want it to kind of like wisp away here and just kind of like go over into my crease a little bit, like so. And then of course, because it is glitter, we are gonna have glitter on our face, so I am going to wipe that away. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'm gonna apply some falsies. The false lashes that I'm gonna be applying are by the brand Fling Falsies. She is a beautiful, talented little girl. Let me rephrase that, little girl. I don't know where that came from. She's a very talented and sweet girl. She's reached out to me on DMs quite a few times, and we've just kind of chatted a little bit here and there. Doing an eye look holding a child is hard. But she's so sweet. I really hope that you guys are showing her all of the love and the support that she deserves, because she is seriously the sweetest thing on the planet. These are the style Chamomile, and now I'm gonna just take just a random mascara. This is Tarte Lights Camera Flashes or something. I'm just going to pop this on to my natural lashes while my lash glue dries. Like so, and then I'm gonna pop these bad boys on. Oh. It's hard because I can't get close enough to my mirror because I'm holding my son, who is 11 months and for all intents and purposes has turned into a literal cry baby. I am his mom, I'm allowed to say that. Seriously, I can be watching, tell me if you moms go through this. I could be sitting on the lazy boy, playing on my iPad or playing on my phone, doing nothing at all, and he wants nothing to do with me. Nothing to do with me. Am I in focus? I better be in focus. Wants nothing to do with me. The moment I come over and sit in this chair to do any kind of beauty, the moment I go over and try to do anything remotely something, freaks out completely. So once the eyelashes are on, I'm then gonna take the bottom of the Hank and Henry, and this is the Pretty in Pink color. Did I say Pretty in Pink earlier? I probably did. I'm really bad about saying that. It's a really pretty luster. Let me get out of the frame so it'll focus on it. It's a really pretty luster, and I'm gonna take the smallest amount of this. Dead serious. The smallest amount, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. I messed up. I am human. I actually take a little bit of the glue, the primer, NYX glitter primer, and I pop that down. And then I went in with a very tiny amount of that. Just enough. I better be in focus. That's all I'm saying, is I better be in focus. And I'm not normally a under eye mascara type girl. I'm just normally not. And there we have the finished look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.